You've probably heard this advice before, just start. But your brain doesn't work like that. In fact, your brain is wired to resist starting tasks. Today, I'll show you a simple psychological trick called the 5-minute rule and how it hacks your brain to beat procrastination effortlessly. Part 1. Why you procrastinate. Your brain is a prediction machine. Before starting any task, it asks, is this worth the effort? If the task looks big, boring, or uncertain, your brain activates energy-saving mode. This triggers discomfort, distraction, and procrastination. Neuroscientists call this task aversion. Your brain prefers small, instant rewards like scrolling or snacks instead of large, delayed rewards like studying or building a skill. So procrastination is not laziness. It's your brain trying to protect energy. Part 2. The 5-minute rule. The 5-minute rule is simple. Tell yourself you'll work on a task for just 5 minutes. This works because of a psychological bias called commitment bias. Once you start something, your brain hates stopping halfway. Also, starting lowers the brain's threat system. After a few minutes, dopamine and focus chemicals increase. Suddenly, the task feels easier. The hardest part is never the work. It's the first 5 minutes. Part 3. How to use it in real life. Here's how to apply it. Choose one task you're avoiding. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Promise yourself you can stop after the timer. Most of the time, you won't stop. And even if you do, you still made progress. This rule is used by writers, students, and athletes to beat mental resistance. If you want to rewire your brain for productivity, start with just 5 minutes today. Your brain doesn't need motivation.